In this video, you'll learn how to resize an image in Mailchimp. This process is essential for ensuring your images fit well within your email campaigns and appear visually appealing to your audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which displays your campaigns, templates, and audience information. Next, locate the option to create a new campaign. Look for the Create button typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Email from this menu to proceed to the campaign creation page. After that, you will need to replicate an existing campaign to work with. Find the campaign you want to use as a template and click on the Replicate option next to it. This will create a copy of the campaign, allowing you to make changes without affecting the original. Once the replication is complete, you will be directed to the campaign edit screen. Here, click on the Edit Design button. This action will take you to the design editor where you can customize the layout and content of your email. Now, you need to add an image to your email. In the design editor, locate the image block, which is usually represented by an image icon. Drag this block to the center of your email layout to place it where you want the image to appear. Ensure that the block is positioned correctly before moving on. Next, click on the Add button to upload your desired image. This will open a file selection dialog. Browse through your files and select the image you want to use. Keep in mind that larger images may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After you have chosen the image, click on the Insert button. The image will now appear in the email design. You may need to wait a moment for the upload to complete, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the image has been successfully inserted. Now, click on the image you just added. A toolbar should appear above or below the image. Look for the Scale option, which will allow you to resize the image. Click on it and a slider will become visible. Finally, drag the slider left or right to adjust the size of the image as desired. You will see the image resizing in real time. Ensure that the dimensions are suitable for your email layout, as this affects how your email will look to recipients. Once you are satisfied with the size, confirm the changes before proceeding to finalize your email. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.